NFTs provide users control over how to use in-game resources. There are several ways to make money in blockchain gaming, including staking tokens and renting out NFT characters for a profit. So today in this video, we're going to talk about how to make money with NFT games with no investment. So make sure you subscribe to NFTimes to keep getting our videos, and do like the video if you like the content. And the first way is to earn the in-game currency. As most blockchain games have an in-game currency that can be redeemed for real money or exchanged for other cryptocurrencies. For instance, Smooth Love Potion, or SLP, is used in the cryptocurrency game Axie Infinity. In Axie Infinity, you may earn SLP by playing the game and winning battles against Axies, who are axolotl-like monsters. SLP can then be exchanged for real money or used to breed characters. While some games call for participation, others are passive. Players must fight in Axie Infinity, Crypto Blades, and Splinterlands to earn. In some games, like the Treasure Hunt mode in Bomb Crypto, the player must first enter the mode where the game's characters perform all the labor to complete the level. Now let's discuss your earning potential. Even if some games aren't skill-based, it depends on the value of the in-game currency, how frequently you play, and most importantly, how skilled you are. But in Axie Infinity, based on the aforementioned conditions, new players can earn anywhere between 75 and 300 SLP per day. Now that you're clear about earning with in-game currency, let's move toward our second way, which is minting new items. In blockchain games, there are numerous methods to make money by creating new things. Players can build 3D objects, wearables, and other collectibles in metaverse games like Decentraland and Crypto Voxels, and make royalties from subsequent sales. With each successive sale in Crypto Voxels, participants can earn up to 10% of the sale price owing to smart contracts created using blockchain technology. Players can smith new weapons in other games like Crypto Blades and then market such weapons there. Players will be able to submit NFT collectible designs for the upcoming massively multiplayer online role-playing game Ember Sword, and if chosen, those designs will be included in the game, allowing creators to receive royalties on further sales in perpetuity. And with this way, the amount of money you will earn depends on the royalty percentage when it comes to NFT creation. Typically, creators earn between 1% to 15% per secondary sale, depending on the game and marketplace. After minting new items come scholarships. In blockchain games, hire out characters for profit is referred to as scholarships. In scholarly guilds, management and players are usually present, scholars. The NFTs are technically the manager's property, but the scholars utilize them to play the game. Members of the guild share in the rewards. There are guilds created to support scholarship initiatives. A guild is a collection of gamers who band together to play video games and divide winnings. Numerous guilds from various nations are headquartered in Axie Infinity. Scholarship programs divide the in-game benefits that are achieved. For instance, Axie Guild members can receive a fixed sum, or between 50% and 70% of earned SLP. After the scholarship comes royalties. I'm sure you're wondering if royalties can be earned from something as intangible as NFT, but the answer is yes. Even after selling a digital asset to someone else, the creator can continue to earn royalties for the rest of his or her life. The creator, on the other hand, must impose these terms, and if someone buys the asset you developed, you'll receive royalties for the rest of your life. And royalties are an excellent source of passive income for artists. While royalties may appear confusing at first, they're worth considering when it comes to making money from NFTs. After royalties, another way to earn from NFT games is not selling, but trading NFTs. Some entrepreneurs and investors treat NFTs as their stocks, buying and selling them to profit. So if you have a collection of NFTs that you no longer need, you can easily sell them just like you would if you made them yourself. Only the minting procedure will be skipped. Buying and selling NFTs can be a profitable investment strategy, in less than 6 months to be exact. For example, Pablo Rodriguez Fraile, who's a Miami-based art collector, flipped a Beeple digital art piece for nearly 1,000 times its original price. But that's not the case with every NFT, as not all NFTs are created equal. Some NFTs are nearly worthless, while others are worth millions of dollars. As a collector, you must scrutinize an item for the possibility of profiting from the resale in the future. This is why you should not just follow the influencers or accept their offers, but do thorough research about who's behind them. what's the plan, and what's the level of scarcity and base price in a project, this is the only way through which you can avoid fraud. But when it comes to trading NFTs, however, knowing when to sell is essential. Making money from NFTs through trading may appear risky to some, but the payoff can be well worth it. The object, the reason for purchasing it, and whether or not there's any other interest in the item in question all influence the selling time. Then comes NFT staking. Yes, you heard it right. Just like renting your NFTs, you can also stake your NFT, and that's pretty easy too. And this is one of the benefits of combining NFTs and DeFi protocols. And if you don't know what staking is, or you haven't done it earlier, let me explain to you that staking is the process of depositing or locking away digital assets in a DeFi protocol smart contract to generate a yield. And talking about the platforms which support NFT staking, so some platforms allow you to use any NFT, while others require you to purchase native NFTs to receive staking token incentives, which are usually priced in the platform's native utility token. Examples of platforms that facilitate NFT staking are Kira Network, NFTX, and Only One. And the next way to earn from NFTs is NFT-powered yield farming. Users can now farm for yields with AMMs that are driven by NFTs, as NFTs are quickly becoming a key component of AMMs in general. As a result, combining different DeFi protocols can help you get the most out of your digital assets. Return farming is the term for this type of farming. We'll use the Uniswap platform as an example to show how the LP NFT tokens offered as liquidity provider tokens on Uniswap can be used as collateral or staked on other protocols to earn additional yields. And finally comes airdrop, which is the easiest way of earning through NFTs. Let us get into this feature with an example from the most popular NFT in the world right now. If you've seen our previous videos, then you must know it's Bored Ape Yacht Club. Having the people got free airdrops of ApeCoin is mentioned earlier, and those airdrops went for thousands of dollars. Like people got free 10,000 ApeCoins, and then the price of one ApeCoin went to the high price of $39, which essentially means they got a free $390,000. Isn't it a thing that can help people live their life freely? And all of this can be attained by owning one single NFT. But people get scammed too, so you have to research thoroughly to find out about the project whose NFT you're going to buy. So that's the end of the video for today, with all about how to make money with NFT games with no investment. Now if you found the content helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel NFTimes for weekly content like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye!